Hey guys, this is Chadwick again, and I'm here with a Quake 2 demonstration. This is on a graphics card that you probably wouldn't buy. It's a $10 graphics card. It's $10 brand new, and you can find it on eBay if you follow my steps here real quickly. See, there's one. You can buy a new one. They're not that expensive. Let's see. There's one that's let's see if we can find one. There's a new one for $9.99. That's the 4450. We're talking about the 4550 right now, which is this one. So for $11.99, for free shipping, you can get this ATI Radeon. And sometimes you can find them for less. I would definitely recommend getting a new one. And because they're about the same price. So let's see what kind of graphics we can do here. This is an example of the graphics we achieved with this $10 card. So that's an example, and just to let you know that you don't have to buy the most expensive graphics card in the world to do some serious gaming. Thank you, have a good day, and thanks for watching.